In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add links to images in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file and making sure you are in the spreadsheet where you want people to click an image and go somewhere else. It can be a brand new sheet or an existing one. The important thing is that you are in the correct document before you create and share the link. Next, go to the top right area of the Google Sheets window and click Share. This opens the sharing panel, which is where Google lets you generate a link that other people can use to access your file. Take a moment here to confirm that you are sharing the right spreadsheet, especially if you have multiple tabs or documents open. Inside the Share panel, find the option that says Click to Copy Link and click it. Google Sheets will copy the shareable link to your clipboard. At this point, you have the exact URL you will attach to an image later. As a quick tip, after you copy it, you can paste it into a temporary place like a blank cell or a text note, just so you do not lose it while you work. The link is now ready to be used. Now return to the main sheet area. Click into the cell where you want to work and type the word highlight. This text is just a placeholder, and it gives you something visible to select and work with while you set things up. After you type it, make sure it is in the cell exactly as you want it to appear. Finally, click on highlight again so that the cell content is selected. This selection is important because linking actions in Sheets usually apply to what is selected. With the cell selected, you are in the correct position to continue the linking process, using the link you copied a moment ago and applying it to the element you want people to click. That covers everything you need to know.